Welcome to this explainer. Stalling out on your muscle growth? Chronic inflammation might be your hidden culprit. Lingering soreness from overtraining doesn't just hurt, man. It literally kills your progress and overall performance. So think of your immune system like a squad of soldiers. Right now, they're stuck in attack mode. This M1 attack mode causes brutal friendly fire on your own muscle tissue, completely blocking vital repair. To stop this metabolic damage, your body desperately needs a biological lever to just trigger that repair. Enter Vialavi T8 Extra, pronounced Vialavi. It's a non-stimulant cellular concentrate built to flip this exact switch. It's packed with plant-derived polyprenols, which your body converts to repair cell membranes and kickstart real recovery. These compounds polarize your macrophages into that anti-inflammatory M2 mode, literally shielding your mitochondrial DNA. This microscopic fine-tuning totally resolves the inflammation, clearing the metabolic path for massive muscle repair. Okay, so what's the protocol here? The sweet spot for this intervention is exact, precisely 1 milliliter. Just dissolve that 1 milliliter, about 2 presses, into room temperature water and drink it up twice daily. You really can flip the lever from inflammation to recovery, ready to finally master your immune switch